So as you know, inside the water room, which we're in now, basically I'm sealing this whole room off. And as you can see here in a minute, this is the tank, the cistern. I started to run this along all that framing that I built and put up. Where the seam is. It's all rough cut. I don't care. This is a workroom basically. Went ahead and hung a 20 amp under there where the septic tank is, as you can see. That's where a pipe comes in, and over there straight ahead is the RV. So that is actually looking east because that's north. So anyways, but yeah, this is, each section will have a door. So this will be trimmed out. I got to trim this out. It comes up about almost 3 inches. But it's big enough to walk through, and it'll have a door. So basically what I'll do is I'll put a strip in there and put a door against it with a screw. And that way, the only way to access it would be, take the screw out. So I'm gonna move this, that little desk, I'll put it upstairs. Then finish this part off right here. What I'm gonna do here is make it like a shelf all the way across, all the way down. So let's go out there so you can see. If you remember, inside the garage, I have all that framing down below. So basically, this will be walled off as well. And each one will have a door to access. And I'm going to run 2 more outlets underneath, one more in there and one at the very end. So that way I got, access to lighting, heat. So if I needed to plug in a heater under here or whatever it may be. So anyways, there you go.